Hello students, these are the next two exercises of chapter number 11 double consonants PL series, exercise number 61 and 62. Let's start with exercise number 61 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. This simple device saves you many hours of toil. Just fill in the attached form below and post it to us or apply to your local dealer for details of this useful article. Please supply me with a few samples of cloth in blue and black, which would be suitable for autumn suits. I should be obliged if you would include a couple of samples each of single and double widths. Please deliver to us as early as possible 50 copies of the book entitled Clothes and How to Make Them. These are to be supplied at a total cost of 20 guineas, including delivery. We are pleased to know that you will be able to deliver some of the tables by the 1st of January and that you expect to supply the rest in 2 weeks. We shall be obliged if you will get enough to us by the 1st to enable us to make a special display of them. I believe that many of the articles in this sale should be especially valuable to you. For the first time in the history of the store, we are able to make them available at a reasonably low cost, and I urge you to call and inspect them as soon as you possibly can. Do not wait till it is too late. Next is exercise number 62 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. I called the house several times, and in as much as each time I was unable to get any reply, I think that these people were away and the house was closed. You have not replied to our note of 4th February asking for a check for the goods supplied to you on 12th November. We would like to know why you have not settled this bill. If you wish to place your furs in cold storage, we can call for them and deliver them to you when you tell us to do so. Our charges are most reasonable. Let us store them for you, and you will have nothing to worry about. Most people have believed in the past that it was necessary to pay a lot of money for a good club settee. No doubt they were right, but we can tell you now that it is not at all necessary to pay much for a good article, as we have just put on the market our easy rest settee, which is available for only a few guineas. Please tell us what the cost would be of a safe about 4 feet high and with a capacity of about 40 cubic feet. The cost should include delivery to this building. So these are the next two exercises of chapter number 11 डबल कॉन्सोनेंट्स पीएल सीरीज. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. शेयर दिस वीडियो. ड्रॉप अ लाइक. Subscribe the channel.